Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and this video will be unboxing the DJI Air 2S. Believe it or not, this is actually my first drone, so I am excited to get in here, open this up, and after this, there will for sure be a video of my first time flying this as well. So yeah, let's get to it. This is actually the Fly More kit, so it comes with extra batteries, extra propellers, as well as ND filter. All right, so this little tab isn't quite coming off as easy as I would have thought, so I'm gonna have to get the knife. Yes, I'm just gonna. All right, so there we go. There we go. Yes, baby. I feel like a kid on Christmas. So here we are. Just oh, there's a tab on the. Oh, okay. Actually, you're supposed to peel the plastic off, and then there's the tabs are after you get under that plastic. That's why I had such a hard time. Still kind of hard getting to this, so I'll probably have to get the knife again. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to. All right, and let's go. Really excited about this one. All right. So in the box, comes as is. Got the carry travel bag right here and says accessories right here. So yeah, we'll start out by looking and seeing what is in this travel bag and the accessories. All right. So yeah, very excited to open this. Little zipper on the front. Not a thing in there. Actually a kind of nice carrying bag. All right, then we'll unzip, open up. All right, so here we have the initial drone just as is. There appears to be some protective cap over it. There's a battery already in there. The propellers are not on. There are some guards for the propellers, I believe. And yeah, we got the drone. It's looking nice. It has a nice smell to it too. I really like it. All right, then it says more accessories. What we got in here? In here, ooh, okay. Got some wires. More wires. It looks like some power supplies. What is this? This looks like some sort of adapter of some sort. Not really sure. We will find out what this is later. Got another battery right here. Another battery. Shout out to the Fly More kit. Shout out to DJI. What else we got in here? This is actually the little charging adapter so I can charge all 3 batteries at one time. What else we got in here? And then it looks like we have the little controller. Yeah, so we got the controller in here, and right at the bottom there are also the little joysticks because, you know, nothing right there. Yeah, so that's all that's in the bag. Give y'all another look in there. That's how we looking. Now we got one more kit of accessories. All right, so it looks like it opens right here. I'm really having a hard time with this. You can tell I don't do this very often. All right, got what looks like a manual, accessory user guide. Got a bunch of propellers in here, like a lot of propellers. And think these are actually ND filters. Yeah, so yeah, in here we have, if we open it up, yeah, we got our ND filters. So yeah, no matter what the conditions are, our picture will be looking extra crispy. All right, some sort of adapter. I'm gonna be real with you, don't know what these are for, but there's 2 of them here. And looks like we got some more joysticks for the controller. Some sort of charge and sync cable. And that is going to do it for the unboxing. Now I'm gonna try to see if we can get this drone, or at least get the propellers on the drone. All right, so it kind of tells you with the propellers, it looks like it says A. Haven't looked at the manual yet or anything like that. Gonna give this thing a good spread. Okay, and that, oh, I actually like that little flip out action. All right, so yeah, trying to clear up some space here for the drone. And so propeller A. All right. So this one goes right here. All right, so got that one on. I did not look at what kind it is. Propeller A. Okay, so we got 2 A's. Yeah, you never really think about all this setup before you buy a drone for the first time. And these propellers are actually different in their own way. But hey, I am pumped. This is my first drone, so really can't get outside. I really can't wait to get outside and fly this later today. All right. All right, so we got our last propeller going on. Let's see. We got the battery here. Please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. Refer to the quick start guide. Yeah, it looks like I actually have to charge the battery before I am able to fly this for the first time. So I'm not sure how long it takes, but yeah, definitely gonna have to get those charged. So yeah, the batteries, again, haven't really looked up too much, but yeah, they just plug in here like this. So yeah, I'm actually gonna try to get all those charged up just so, you know, there's nothing holding me back. I think each one has about 30 minutes of flight time. Now we gotta find the plug-in. Think this goes to it. There was some sort of power bank. Okay, here's the power bank. Yeah, so this goes right here. And then now I just need to plug it in and then we can get going. All right, so I have to actually go charge these before I can fly. Be sure to do me a favor. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, or just found any type of pleasure in watching me open that box, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel. Really just trying to get this channel off the ground. Right now, I think we're sitting around 9 subscribers. And be sure to stick around so that you can see when I actually go out and fly this later today. But that's going to do it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.